How to use Coverr Honest Review. Properly beginner mistakes that cost you. Coverr is a platform for free stock videos, but beginners often misuse it, costing time or limiting creative options. Here's how to use Coverr properly. The first mistake is ignoring the search filters. Most people get this wrong by scrolling endlessly instead of filtering by category, resolution, or format. Using filters saves time and helps you find exactly what you need. Second mistake, neglecting licensing details. You won't believe how many users assume all videos are free for commercial use without attribution. Other videos are free to use, but checking the license ensures you follow the rules and avoid copyright issues. Third mistake, downloading low-quality clips. The surprising truth is that not all videos are optimized for HE or REC. Always check the resolution before downloading to avoid pixelated footage in professional projects. Fourth mistake, failing to organize downloads. Beginners often download multiple clips without naming conventions or folders. Organizing your files from the start saves hours during editing. Finally, not exploring collections or featured clips is common. Coverr curates trending or high-quality collections that can inspire creativity and save research time. Using Coverr properly means using filters, verifying licensing, selecting high-quality clips, organizing downloads, and exploring curated collections. Avoid these beginner mistakes to maximize your creative projects efficiently and safely.